Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Brain Logic. In this video we are going to solve this really interesting question, I would say like relaxing easy math question. So we have 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2. And on the first side this is like the easiest question you've ever seen because we have only addition, multiplication, subtraction, we have only 2, so it's not like a huge numbers, it's not like thousands right here. We have only 2 and we have operation that we know like from the 3rd grade, everyone learned this math operation in the 3rd or 4th grade. Yeah, so we have this question 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2, and right here on the bottom on the left hand side we have a lot of options. We have 3 options, and right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. It will be really interesting to check our answers. In like 1 minute we will solve it together. It is really interesting to check our answer. I swear this is really important question. Okay, first of all we have this question, and I want to write this solution, and I think that most of you solve it like that. So we have 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2. I feel one part of you solve it like that. I feel that one part solve it like that. We have 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. And then with this multiplication sign in the middle, 4 times 0 equal to 0. I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect. I feel like one part of you solve it like that. Okay, and right now let's solve it according to the math operation order right here. Because as you can see, right here we jump from left to right. Right here we added first, then we subtracted first, then we multiply in the middle. So as you can see, a really big mix of operations. We start with addition, we go from subtract to subtraction, we multiply. So everyone, we need to learn that what is the correct order to do this problem, because as you can see this is like a chaotic order. And for this question, for example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS. And let's solve it according to PEMDAS, and let's check with this option A. Yeah, as you can see we have 0, this is option A, and let's check. Maybe 0 is a correct answer, I don't know exactly, but let's solve it together with PEMDAS. This is the main popular order in the world, the most popular order. Okay, we have this question, so 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2. Let's look at this PEMDAS and let's solve it according to PEMDAS. First of all, as you can see, we have a lot of steps. First step is parentheses. Now we need to scan. Where do we have these parentheses right here? Let's look at it. So we have this parentheses or not? As you can see, we don't have any parentheses, so we just skip this part, which is really great because parentheses is a complicated step right here. We don't have these parentheses, so we go to the next step. The next step is exponents. So now we need to scan where do we have this exponent right here. As you can see, we don't have any, we have only first power, yeah, so we don't have any squares, cubes, fifth power, seventh power, and we can easily skip this part. So we don't have it, and we go to the next step. Okay, the next step, multiplication, but a lot of students do this common mistake because according to PEMDAS, we need to add this multiplication, we need to add a division part, yeah? So we need to scan where do we have this multiplication and division part. This is very important step. Let's scan, right here we have a problem, our algebra question, and let's scan multiplication and division part. Where do we have this multiplication and division sign? So here is our question, let's look at it. Addition, this is not our case, right here we have multiplication, so this multiplication we need to apply to these two numbers, so we have 2 and 2, and the last step we have subtraction. So as you can see, according to PEMDAS, the first step is multiplication, not addition and subtraction as I told before, but this is like one part of you solve it like that. I feel like that because this is like maybe the obvious solution, because everyone go from left to right, they don't care about operation, multiplication, addition, they go from left to right, right here add, right here subtract, so a little bit chaotic solution. So as you can see, if we start from multiplication, we will have completely different answer with this option A. We have 2 plus 2 times 2 equal to 4, yeah, equal to 4, and minus 2. Very obvious, yeah? Right now, really obvious question because we just complete this step with multiplication and division, and we go to the next step. We have like addition and subtraction. This is our last step, and as you can see, very easily solution, very easily explanation because multiplication and division is before addition and subtraction. So every time you need to multiply or divide at first, okay? So the last step, 2 plus 4, we have 6, 6 minus 2 equal to 4, and moreover we can easily cancel this 2 if you know a little bit about math tricks, so we have option B. So right now we can easily say that according to a correct order of operation, and in our case this is PEMDAS, we can easily reject this absolutely wrong solution because option A is absolutely incorrect. And the correct answer is, right here we have answer, Correct answer is option B is a correct answer. But here is our question, maybe one more question right here. The 0 will be correct answer when we put parentheses. Yeah, if we put parentheses, if you put brackets right here, then we need to start from these parentheses. And as you can see, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, this is first step, and 2 minus 2, 0, this is second step. So if you have parentheses, you can easily solve it according to PEMDAS, and your answer is 0. But in our case, correct answer is option B. So very relaxing algebra problem I try to explain step by step, and I hope you understand this explanation. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.